Okay, so real quick, I'm going to show you how to blurry an object or even a name or something like that in Final Cut Pro. Every now and then we record videos and something is there we don't want to show. This is very simple corrected here in Final Pro Cut. Let's jump in the computer and let me show you. Okay, so I got a couple clips here just to show you real quick. So for example, if I want to blurry this can right here, all I have to do is come here to the right. And there's a couple icons right here, but I want to click this one right there. And it's going to bring me to this. If you see here on the left, you have color presets, colors, distortion, instant 360, lights, looks, and a bunch of stuff. There's one right there that says blur, which is click already. But we're going to click right here. You can see it right there. And then we're going to jump into this one right here. And essentially what I'm going to do is that I'm going to grab it and then I'm going to put it right in top of this. And for here, you have to understand that this is going to be moving, right? So essentially what we want to do is track this object. I'm going to click on analyze and you can see I'm going all over the place. The point of this is to show you that it's going to track it and it's going to follow it. So it's going to go all the way to the right. Right here, you see a little bar right there. And then it's going to go all the way to the left as well. Let's let it finish. Okay, so that's all done. I'm going to play the video. I'm going to show it to you right now. And as you can see, it's all blurry. It's going to follow it. It's going to track it. And it's just going to keep it right there nice and blurry. This is very beneficial. You don't have to do too many different things. You can see right there, blurry as well. It continues to be blurry. And again, this is super beneficial. It cuts a lot on the editing and all that. I'm going to show you how to do it now on something that may be just standing still. And as you can see in this one right here on the bottom, it is blurry already. Already blurry my name right there. But up here it says Fabian. And again, if I want to blurry this real quick, I just grab it again and I put it right there, right? Just in top of that. And then I could just grab it and I could kind of mess with it a little bit. You could do a circle as you can see right here. You keep it just like this. You could kind of bring it smaller because you don't want to have the whole screen blurry, right? So you gotta make it really, really nice and small just to have that section right there blurry and nothing else, right? As you can see right here, I'm gonna press play again and we're gonna jump into that new one right there. And as you come in, look, you can barely see my name, right? You could play with that a little bit more to make it more blurry. But again, just right there, very, very nice. My name is covered. That is covered there as well. And again, just a super easy way for you to blurry an object or something in the screen on Final Cut Pro. Let me know what you think. Subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.